Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So basically a soft reset or the force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device doesn't respond to your touches and actually you cannot touch or swipe or do anything here because it freezed or something like that. So basically in order to soft reset it, you have to press the power button, press it and hold it until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. And at this moment you will be sure that the device has been restarted. So let me try to do it. Let me press the power button, which is located on the side of your device. Let's
Here are the top search results.
all right, so basically first of all the assistant is attached in my case to the power button. That's why the assistant appeared. And later on, I hope that you saw those options so that you can restart, you can turn it off, and so. I did not pick the restart option, obviously, because we are pretending that the screen did not work. So, of course, tapping on it will also not work. So, as you can probably saw, there was a black screen, and right now, as I said, we've got the developer's logo. So we have to wait a second and your device will be successfully restarted, just like you can see. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.